The lady from Uncle. The lady.
Hi, this is an update to a video that I did about reusing a recently removed third-party email for a new Google account. That's something that is not possible to do because you keep getting the error message that it's been recently deleted and therefore you can't use that email, even when that email was never actually the Google account and the Google account it was a recovery email for or the alternative email for does still exist. So I'm going to show you a workaround which a fellow PE has pointed out, and hopefully this works for you. So here I am, I'm signed into a third-party email using Google account. It uses an outlook.com email, and I'm going to go down to where it says email. And here we're going to try and replace the third-party email with the email that we get the error message with. So I'm going to click on the pencil and I'm going to enter the email here, and I'm going to be asked to receive a verification email. Okay. And there you are. I've replaced the outlook.com email with the recently deleted yahoo.com email address. So this is a workaround. You'd have to create a new third-party or Gmail email using Google account and then replace that Google account's email with the one that you're having the problems with. Hopefully that helps. Thank you for listening and goodbye.